Hello my dear friends, I am going to explain you today linear differential equation. What is the standard form of linear and how we will solve, I can solve or we can solve linear differential equation. So linear differential equation is linear differential equation we can abbreviate as LDE. The standard form of linear differential equation is dy dx plus py equal to q. This is the standard form of linear differential equation of first order. This is the standard form of linear differential equation of first order. If we want to solve or if we want to write the general solution of that type of differential equation, I mean first order linear differential equation, then we have to follow two steps. We have to follow two steps. Step number one is find integrating factor. Integrating factor, which I can use as IF. IF is abbreviated form of short form of integrating factor. How we can solve it? IF equal to e raised to the power p dx. This one. This calculate the value of p and simplify. And general solution, which I can abbreviate as GS, will be calculated by y times integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c. This is the general solution of that one using integrating factor. Substitute here if and then again integrate it. But most important part is there where p and q, which is involved here, where p and q be the function of x only or constant. That means p and q will be only. If we are talking about dy dx plus py equal to q, then p and q only be the functions of x only or any constant. Other than means this should be written as in terms of x only. If it is written as not like that one, then there may be something problem or some typical thing is given. So this one is the introduction of linear differential equation. Maybe sometimes the linear differential equation is given as sometimes it is given as dx dy plus px is equal to q. It means that now variable dependent and independent variable interchange. That means here now x before that one in this differential equation dy dx plus py equal to q. See that one here, this one is dependent variable and this one is independent variable. But see here x is dependent variable and y is independent variable. So if the differential equation is given as dx dy plus px is equal to q, then this one is also called linear differential equation. This one is also called linear differential equation. But here p and q be the function of, here function of x only, but here function of opposite of that one, function of y only or constants. But important thing is that maybe sometimes differential equation is written as dy plus py dx equal to dx. into q. Sometimes the differential equation is also written as dy plus py dx is equal to q dx. This one is also called linear differential equation. Sometimes in some standard book, the differential equation, linear differential equation of first order also given as in terms of this one. What that means? Just nothing. If you divide by dx here, so it comes dy plus py dx and q multiply by dx here. So this dx cancel and here dx. So same thing is given here. So but the process is same, but nature of the written of method writing of that one is different from that, only this. But this one is also linear differential equation. So now what is the answer of that one? So again the answer of that one is answer of that part is again two step. Step number one is write integrating factor. Integrating factor e raised to the power p dy because of independent variable here y, and general solution is y there if it is written as like that one. But dependent variable is here what? Dependent variable is here what? X. So x into integrating factor equal to integration q into integrating factor dy plus c. This is the general solution of that one. When the differential equation is given as change as dependent variable x, then this will be the general solution of this one and integrating factor of this one. So I am going to take few example for that type of linear differential equation. So question number 1, in continuation of that one, question number 1, solve the linear differential equation. What is that one? The linear differential equation is dy dx plus 2x plus 1 divided by x into y equal to e power minus 2x. So the important part is that we have to compare the values of p and q by the standard form. So see that one, dy dx is here, dy dx is here, y is here, y is here, but in place of p, this one. So it means that one p will be 2x plus 1 divided by x. We can simplify it as 2x divided by x plus 1 by x. Cancel this one. So it is coming 2 plus 1 divided by x. And q is equal to e power minus 2x. Now, if this one is linear differential equation, then we have to follow two steps. Step number 1, integrating factor. Integrating factor of because of dependent variable is y, so e power p dx equal to e power p. Write that p is equal to 2 plus 1 by x dx. Integrate it. So e power 2 means 2x plus 1 by x means ln of x. We can write it like that one, e power x into e power ln of x. So it is equal to e power 2x, e power ln of x means x. So this is the integrating factor. Now general solution of that one is y, that means dependent variable, into integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power 2x into x equal to q into integrating factor dx plus c. Write that one. So that y times, we can write it like x e power 2x equal to x e power 2x equal to q. Q means e power minus 2x into integrating factor. Integrating factor is x e power 2x dx plus c. Now see that one, this e power minus 2x and this e power plus 2x. So cancel. So what is that? We can write it like xy e power 2x equal to integration. This and this cancel. So x dx plus c. Now integrate it. Xy e power 2x is equal to x square by 2 plus c. This is the answer of this first question of that linear differential equation. My dear friends, now I am going to take another example. Question number 2. Solve linear differential equation. What is that one? dy dx minus y tan x is equal to minus 2 sine of x. Solve dy dx minus 2 tan x minus 2 sine x. So how we can solve it? Nothing. Again we are going to compare p and v values, p and q values. So how we can write here? P equal to here what? Minus tan x and q is equal to minus 2 sine x. So because of dependent variable is y, so that integrating factor, 2 steps, integrating factor e power p dx equal to e power p. P means minus integration of tan x dx. We do not know what is the integration of that one. So tan we can write it sine x divided by cosine x dx. Maybe some students do not know. So just I am writing that one. There is rule that if the derivative of the down function given up, then the integration of that one is ln of fx. What is the example of that one? See, if I am taking that one, cosine x divided by sine x dx. So see that one, derivative of sine x is cosine x. So no need to do anything. Derivative of sine x is given up. So it is ln of sine x simply. Similarly here, see that one, equal to e power derivative of cosine minus sine. So derivative of this one is given. So what is the answer? ln cosine of x. Because of derivative of cosine is minus sine. So derivative of the down term is given. So it is ln of this one. So e power ln of x means x. So this one is integrating factor. The second step is general solution. What is the general solution? Y into integrating factor is equal to q. Q means here minus 2 sine x and q multiplied by integrating factor into dx plus c. Now what is that one? Because of the derivative of, so keep outside minus 2, derivative of sine x is cosine x. So we can write it sine square x by 2 plus c, because of the derivative of the given here. So again I am using rule here. So hopefully you understand. The final answer of that one is y cosine of x is equal to minus sine square x plus c. Hopefully you understand this question also. So this is the second example of that one. In continuation of that one, I am going to pick another question. Question number 3. Solve the linear differential equation x cosine x dy dx plus x sin x plus cosine x into y is equal to 1. So now see that one. If I want to compare from the standard form is given as dy dx plus py equal to q. So see that one, here dy dx here, but here dy dx is not written. So what we have to do? We have to fit, or we have to write this differential equation in this standard form. So dy dx is alone. That means coefficient of dy dx is 1. But here coefficient of dy dx is x cosine of x. So what we have to do for getting the solution of that one? For getting the solution of this one, dividing by x cosine x, we get, see that one, x cosine of x divided by x cosine of x dy dx plus x sine of x plus cosine of x divided by x cosine of x into y equal to 1 divided by x cosine of x. Now check that one. This and this cancel. So we can write it dy dx plus, see, we can write it x sine of x divided by x cosine of x plus cosine of x divided by x cosine of x. Y is equal to 1 by x into sec x. Hopefully you understand until this one. So this and this cancel, this and this cancel. So what is dy dx plus sine x divided by cosine x plus 1 divided by x into y 1 divided by x into sec x. Now p equal to here sine x divided by cosine x plus 1 by x, and q is equal to 1 divided by x into sec of x. Now if you get the result of p and q values, then we need for the solution of that one integrating factor. So integrating factor is e raised to the power p dx. So write that one, e raised to the power p. P means here sine x divided by cosine x plus 1 by x integration of that one. So e power, derivative of cosine is sine minus. So what is that one? Minus ln cosine of x plus 1 by x integration is 1 by x integration is ln of x. So what you have that? We can write it ln sec x also, this one, plus ln of x, or e power ln of sec of x into e power ln of x. E power ln of sec x means sec x and e power ln of x means x. So this is the simplified form of integrating factor of this differential equation. Now the second part is general solution. The general solution of that one is y times integrating factor x sec x equal to into q. Q means 1 divided by x into sec x, and integrating factor is x sec x dx plus c. This this x cancel, so it comes xy sec x equal to sec x multiplied by sec x is sec square x dx plus c, or we can write it xy sec x is equal to integration of sec square x is tan x plus c. This is the answer of this question. Hopefully my dear friend you understand this part also. Yes my dear friend. Next question for the solution of linear differential equation, I am picking question number 4. The question number 4 is solve the linear differential equation sin x dy dx plus 2y plus sin x into 1 plus cosine x is equal to 0. Solve this linear differential equation. So see that one here, sorry, this one is sin x, this one is here sin x. So see that one, if I want to compare from the standard form dy dx plus py equal to q. So see that one again, dy dx, coefficient of dy dx is here. So what we have to do, we can write it means for the solution of that one, dividing sin x, we get sin x divided by sin x dy dx plus 2y divided by sin x plus sin x divided by sin x into 1 plus cosine of x is equal to 0. Now cancel this one, so it comes dy dx plus 2 divided by sin x into y. See this cancel, because of I need to compare from that one, so it's not seem what is the value of q, so we replace this there side, so it comes minus 1 plus cosine of x. Now check that one, what is the value of p here? P is 2 divided by sin x and q is equal to minus 1 plus cosine of x minus 1 divided by cosine of x. Now, after getting the values of P and Q, we have to write integrating factor, first step. So, integrating factor equal to e raised to the power P means 2 divided by sin x dx. So, it is coming as e raised to the power integration of 2 CSC of x dx, and integration of CSC of x dx is ln of CSC of x minus cotangent x. So, integrate it. So, it is coming e raised to the power 2 ln CSC of x minus cotangent of x. So, we can write it like e power ln CSC of x minus cotangent of x power 2, and e power ln of x means x. So, it comes, that means integrating factor comes now, CSC of x minus cotangent of x power 2. This is your integrating factor. So, if you got integrating factor, then you can write the general solution also. So, what is the general solution? General solution is y times integrating factor CSC of x minus cotangent of x power 2 equal to integration q. Q means minus 1 plus cosine of x, and this integrating factor CSC of x minus cotangent of x power 2. Sorry, no space here, so I am writing here integration minus 1 plus cosine of x, that means q multiplied by integrating factor CSC of x minus cotangent of x square dx plus c. Now simplify it and then write the answer. CSC of x minus cotangent of x square is equal to minus 1 plus cosine of x, and simplify. CSC means 1 divided by sin x minus cotangent means cosine x divided by sin x power 2 dx plus c. Simplified. This step is same, minus 1 plus cosine of x, and simplify. This comes 1 minus cosine x whole square divided by sin square x dx plus c. So that what we have to do? See, 1 minus 1 plus cosine x, 1 minus cosine x whole square. Because of I do not know what is the integration of this one, so what we have to do? Just use this one, sin square x plus cosine square x is equal to 1. So what is the value of sin square x? Sin square x means 1 minus cosine square x. So in place of sin square x, replace that one, 1 minus cosine square x dx plus c. So what is that one? We can write it minus 1 plus cosine of x, 1 minus cosine of x power 2, and by using a square minus b square, we can write it 1 plus cosine x and 1 minus cosine of x dx plus c. Hope until you got this result now. So see that one, 1 plus cosine of x, 1 plus cosine x cancel, and 1 minus cosine power cancel. So after that one, the general solution becomes now y times CSC of x minus cotangent square equal to minus 1 minus cosine x remaining part dx plus c. Integrated y CSC of x minus cotangent of x whole square and open the bracket. So 1 minus 1 minus 1 means minus x, minus plus integration of cosine is sin x plus c. This is your answer of this question. Hopefully you understand that one.